Hey, what's going on, guys? So I got a new camera to film the city. So we get some different angles, some cool shots. Get some aerial photos. It's fun flying through the city like this. Feel like a news copter or something, or maybe police helicopter. The wind is a little too powerful from the turbulence from the rotors, and it's blowing a lot of loose pieces around. So we either have to tack some stuff down or be a little more cautious in our flying over the city. Also, I noticed that it's a little dark. I need to adjust the exposure also on this.